Here's the teams. Diana Prince and Karen Beecher. Hal Jordan and Selena Kyle.
Hey.
Barbara Gordon and Garth. Do you even have a last name? Z Zatara and Oliver Queen. Katsu Yamashiro and Leslie Willis. Jessica Cruz and Pam Isley. Carter Hall and Barry Allen. Carol Ferris and Doris Zuell. And since Doris is skipping as usual, Carol, looks like you're once again destined to be alone. Last and actually kind of least, Harleen Quinzel.
Wait, what?
And Cara Danvers.
Huh?
We good? Good.
Man, this is so great. We're gonna get A's for sure. I've been working on 3D printed packing peanuts that are 250% more shock absorbent.
And I have raised griffins from eggs since I was 170.
We got this in the crud.
At last, my chance to surpass Diana Prince as valedictorian is at hand. We'll put her there, partner. Isn't this exciting? We're going to spend the whole weekend together, hanging out, taking care of our egg. Wait, where's our egg?
This is super cool, right? Like, you're Hawkman. And that means you know all about eggs and birds and stuff, so all you gotta do is keep sitting on that egg till Monday. Boom! Instant A! Bad call? Bad call.
Yeah, we gotta switch partners, dude.
Mr. Dude.
I can work with her. She's got emotional problems. Let me be with Carol instead.
Nope, Carol is alone.
I'm not alone.
Listen, you two. You're both one F away from summer school. So you either spend the next 2 days together, or you spend the next 3 months together. Got it?